and take your seats as quickly as possible so that we can start the meeting. Now I call upon Treasurer JC Ashish Shah come to the dais. Now I call upon Secretary JC Rajesh Methi come to the dais. Now I call upon JCOM Vice Chairman JC Saurabh Lodhki come to the dais.
Show this also in the gap.
Now I request the JCOM coach JC Sanjeev Nikotia to come to the dais. Now I call upon Chairman of JCOM Delhi L 1.0 JC Adish Bansal ji to come to the dais.
Good morning, JCOM.
Good morning.
I, JC Adish Bansal, Chairman of Delhi Table 1.0, hereby call first week growth call meeting to order. Now let us all raise for JCI Creed, and I invite JC Shashank Agarwal to invoke JCI Creed, please.
We believe that faith in God gives meaning and purpose to human life, that brotherhood of men transcends the sovereignty of nations, that economic justice can best be won by free men through free enterprise, that government should be of laws rather than of men, that earth great pleasure lies in human personality, and that service to humanity is the best work of life. Thank you.
Thank you, Shashank. Good morning, everyone present here. And I, the Chairman of JCOM Delhi Table 1.0, wholeheartedly welcome our invitees and JCOM members to this first week meeting. JCOM is the only organization which concentrates on 100% business growth of its members. I once again welcome all. This is a business meeting of JC's Chamber of Commerce, and I request all to recite the slogan of the meeting: 100 minutes for 100% business growth.
100 minutes for 100% business growth.
This meeting focuses on exploring new markets and clients for every JCOM member to increase our sales force and thus the potential to improve our business. And lastly, introduce JCI members, come invitees to each other. I welcome the invitees who have honored our JCOM members' invitation. Now, I am happy to announce that we have 2 new member inductions who will be joining our table today, and invite JC Anshul Agarwal and JC Kavita Agarwal to come to the front. Give a round of applause. Please come to the front. And I request our Secretary JC Rajesh Methi ji to give a small introduction about the new inductees.
Thank you, Chairman sir. JC Anshul Agarwal, Financial Advisor, Amod Concepts. He is working with Bajaj Alliance Life Insurance and Star Health Insurance. Second one member is JC Kavita Agarwal. She is running a counseling agency, Agroha Counseling Services. She is specialized in marriage, child and career counseling. Welcome to both of you. Over to you.
Please raise your right hand above your shoulder and repeat after me. I do promise
I do promise
that I will faithfully
that I will faithfully
serve the purpose of JCOM
serve the purpose of JCOM
and will be truthful with members
and will be truthful to the members
and customers
and customers
in giving the quality service
in giving the quality service
while following the ethics of
and following the ethics of
good business with guidelines of JCOM.
good business with guidelines of JCOM.
And thank you, and you're welcome to the table. Huge round of applause. JCOM, JCOM.
JCOM.
Now it's time for the business flash. Now I'm going to call upon our members to introduce themselves and give their 75 seconds business flash, which should include your name, your business, your organization name. You should ask for the need for which you would like to get connected. And if you have a gift for connection, tell the name and how it can be connected. Your last month's target, what was the target achieved in the last month? Your reason for achieving the target or the challenge you faced in achieving that target, and what will be your next month's target. JC Vikas Janji will be the clock watcher for today, and JC Bhuvnesh Shoraji will be the base master. And judge for the 75-second flash will be our table coach, JC Sanjeev Gupta. We'll start with JC Divesh. Yeah.
तो घर की बत्ती गुल या कार की बैटरी लो, गेरा जी से बैटरी लो और किसकी दूर करो. Good morning JCOM. My name is Devesh Gera. My firm name is Gera Batteries. We are into business since 1984. We are authorized dealer of 11 plus brands. You name it, we have it. और USPS Home Services हम आपकी नैनो तक की बैटरी आपके घर पे लगाएंगे. I need to connect to Mr. Usman, owner of my perfume. I have a gift for the table, Mr. Mani Maheshwari, a builder. Target for the last month was 10 lakhs, but I have achieved only 9 lakhs because 7 connects were received and I have contacted only 4 of them. Next month target is 15 lakhs as summer season is going on and my sales will be on low. Next, Devesh Gera, Gera Batteries.
Next, JC Vishal Joshi.
Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Education is not about success and failure. It is about learning. Hi, I am Vishal Joshi. Company name Nucleus Education. We provide coaching of IT, medical and foundation 6 to 10. Connect. I would like to connect Mr. Rakesh, owner of Surat Publication School. Owner of Surat Publication School Kota. I would like to keep connect to the table Mr. Gaurav sir, owner of Pukraj. My last month turnover is 50 lakhs and achieved 49 lakhs due to not proper leads. Shortfall 1 lakh rupees will be covered in this month. Next month target is 75 lakhs. Thank you. I am Vishal Joshi, Nucleus Education.
Next, JC Shashank Agarwal. Pass on the mic.
Good morning, JCOM. Quality is never an accident. It is always result of intelligent effort. I, JC Shashank Agarwal, from Rage Industries, known for producing world-class products and supplying quality products. And customized solution to various tractor manufacturing companies like Mahindra, Sonalika, Volvo, etc. We have our USP is we have a fully automatic state-of-art facilities for plastic and rubber molding, fabrication, mold making and designing. I have asked for a connect in Kubota Escorts in vendor development. I have a gift of table. I have a connect in Fortis Hospital, JC Vishal Gupta. He can help in getting marketing tenders for Fortis Hospital. My last month target was 67 lakhs and achieved was 70 lakhs. And the profit, the additional income was because one of the customer gave repeat orders. I have an additional. Thank you all.
Next, JC Pankaj Garg.
जब दरवाजों का शुरू हो काम तब लो गर्ग एंटरप्राइजेस का नाम. Good morning everyone. I JC Pankaj Garg, owner of my company Garg Enterprises. We deals in modular kitchens and hardware. Kindly connect me to the Hotel Hinton in Gurgaon purchase team, and I will connect all table members to the hospital aims in that Delhi. My last month target is 75 lakhs and I have achieved 90 lakhs because annual scheme is going on and all the buyers have bought material from me in March. And my next month target is 80 lakh. Thank you everyone.
Now I would like to call upon the invitees to introduce themselves and tell your name, your company and the product you deal in. I would like to invite first JC Vivek Verma ji to introduce himself.
Namaskar, good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Namaskar to everyone. I am JC Vivek Verma. I am a travel consultant and we provide travel related services throughout India and abroad. Our slogan is travel anywhere in the world through us. I am thankful to JC Devesh Kera. He invited me today. Thanks to all.
Thank you, sir. Next, JC Ramesh.
Good morning. I am Ramesh Madan from Innotech Solutions. We offer brand building solutions and marketing strategies for business growth. I am thankful to Mr. Pankaj Garg for inviting me on this platform. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, JCI members and our invitees. Now I would like to request our Biz Master, JC Bhuvnesh Voraji, to question on the Biz memory.
Thank you, Chairman. Welcome all to the Bizmaster quiz. If you have to answer, please raise your hand. The first question is, Gera Batteries, in which year they founded their business and when they started their business? Yes, Shashank.
So 1984.
Very good, right answer. Please have a round of applause. Second question is, nucleus education, they are into which field of providing the education? Any guess? Yes, ma'am.
ID&D.
Yes, very good, right answer. Third question is, which company, the race industry are serving their product to which company? Yes, sir. Anshulji?
Mahindra and Mahindra.
Very good, right answer. Garg Enterprise, where does he need connect in which hotel? Yes, sir. Doubletree by Hilton, very good, right answer. Thank you very much. Thank you. Over to Chairman.
Now I request our 75-second business flash judge, JC Sanjeev Nigotia ji, to announce the best growth call presentation with explanation for selecting the same.
थैंक यू सर। आप लोगों का बिजनेस प्लस सभी ने देखा, अच्छे से सुना। उसकी सबसे बड़ी चीज़ थी 75 सेकेंड्स। दूसरी थी टाइम लिमिट्स के अंदर अपना बिजनेस प्रेजेंटेशन आपको देना था। और कई लोगों ने मैंने देखा अपनी यूएसपी बताने में वो पीछे रहे। आप अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं पर अपनी यूएसपी स्पेसिफिकेशन जरूर बताएं, जिससे कि आपसे वो सामने वाला क्यों जुड़े। तो इस बार की जो बेस्ट प्रेजेंटेशन है इस वीक की, देवेश गेरा, गर्ग एंटरप्राइजेस। थैंक यू।
Now it is the time to thank who supported our JCOM members, and we'll read, like I have dash number of connects. If you have a credential for a business, you have I've done a business with one member of the table. I have a G note for the connect that led to close a business of what amount. You have dash number of showcases, and if you have any invitee for the table. We'll start with JC Devesh Kera.
Good morning, GCOM. I have to connect with this week. I have connected Mr. Vishal Shah to Mr. Pawan and Mr. Saurabh Lotagi to Ms. Shalini Mehta. And I have a credential for him also for providing outstanding services to her. Coming to G Notes, thanks to Mr. Vishal Joshi for a close business of rupees 1 lakh. I have showcased my business on Facebook. And I have one invitee, Mr. Vivek Verma, and sir for placing us in the meeting. Thanks.
Next, JC Vishal Joshi ji.
Good morning, Jaycom. I have one connect, Mr. Saurabh to Mr. Vishal Shah. I have a credential about the business. I have done with one member of this table, Mr. Gera, for Gera Batteries. He has a lot of variety of batteries and inverters. I have to give G-Note today for connect the lead to closed inverter business. And I have done one showcase and informed the name of the social media platform and posted in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.
JC Shashank Agarwal.
Good morning, Jacob.
Good morning.
I have one correct today for JC Vivek Gupta, for JC Shubham Goyal. I have a credential that JC Vishesh Diman has provided excellent IT services. I have a G-Note for JC Sanjeev, coach for the table, for rupees 3 lakh close business. I have done showcase on WhatsApp. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, JC Pankaj Garg.
Good morning, Jaycom.
Good morning.
I have one connect for today for Chairman Sir to JC Shashank Agarwal. And I have one credential for Ritesh Sharma ji. I have purchased generator from him, excellent quality, excellent service. And I have one G-Note for Shashank ji. He has closed my deal with some of his friends, and I have closed the business of 3,80,000. I have done 4 showcases in my main group of WhatsApp. Thank you. And I would like to thank JC Ramesh Nanda ji for accepting my invitation and honoring me. Thank you, sir.
I hope I didn't miss anybody. Now I would like to ask the invitees to share their experience. Kindly tell us one thing which impacted you the most regarding computer. We'll start with JC Vivek Verma.
It's a good experience here. The main thing is discipline and the sharing of business. I like it and I am thankful to JC Devesh Gera for inviting me today. Thank you.
I request JC Ramesh Madamji to please share his experience.
Good morning once again. Before coming to the meeting, I have some suspicions about this platform. But after attending the meeting, I feel that it is a wonderful platform for business growth. I understand that each member is concerned with the growth of other business. I feel that it should be a mandatory platform for all the business. It provides lot of opportunity and network. I would like to join this platform. And once again, I am thankful to Pankaj Garg for inviting me to this platform. Thank you, all the members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful feedback. Now I'll call upon our treasurer, JC Ashish Shahi, for the treasurer report.
Great morning, Jaycom. Till now, 32 members have paid meeting fees out of 34 members. In case anyone did not pay till now, please do it immediate after the meeting. Thank you so much. Jaycom, Jaycom.
Jaycom, Jaycom. Now I'll call upon our secretary, JC Ramesh Mediji, for the secretary report.
Thank you, Chairman. Today's attendance is 32 out of 42 members. Number of invitees are 2. Percentage growth in attendance is 10%, and percentage decline in invitees is 50%. Over to Chairman.
Thank you. I will request our table coach, JC Sanjeev Nigotia, to give his observations on the table meeting.
Chairman. तो आपने जो प्रेजेंटेशन दिया बहुत खूबसूरत तरीके से दिया, मैंने वॉच भी किया, विदिन टाइम लिमिट्स में था। बस थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखें, जो मैंने देखा कि आप अपनी यूएसपी बताने में असफल रहे। जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया कि जब तक आपकी यूएसपी सामने नहीं आएगी, आपका स्पेसिफिकेशन सामने नहीं आएगा, तब तक वो सामने वाला नहीं जुड़ सकता। मैं सेक्रेटरी महोदय से अभी मैं रिपोर्ट सुन रहा था, देखा कि डिक्लाइन हुआ है आपका इन्वाइटी का 50%। मैं चाहता हूं कि अगली मीटिंग में ये डिक्लाइन ना होकर ये मैं 50% ग्रोथ के रूप में मिले। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
you, sir. Now I call upon our Vice Chairman, JC Saurabh Rohtagi, for the Vice Chairman report.
Thank you, Chairman. The total number of credit passed till date is 85 in our table. The total amount of G-Note passed till now is 89,54,000 till date. And the total number of credits passed in this week is 5. The total amount of G-Note passed in this week is 8,30,000. Total 4 credentials were passed in our table today. And our table has completed 4 showcases in last week. I request all members to kindly punch your data on JCOM mobile app. Thank you.
Thank you. Now time for the recognitions. And this week's highest G-Note recognition goes to JC Pankaj Garg. Please round of applause. JC Shashank Agarwal for the best showcase. JC Devesh Gera ji for highest connects. And we thank JC Devesh Gera ji and JC Pankaj Garg ji for bringing in the invitees for the meeting. Thank you. With this, we are about to come to an end of the first week's business growth meeting. Looking forward to meet you all with more invitees, more G-Notes, with more connects, with more showcases. Next week, venue and time will remain the same. Keep connected with JCOM, the only organization which provides 100% business growth. JCOM, JCOM. JCOM, JCOM. 100 minutes for 100% business growth. 100 minutes for 100% business growth. Now I request our secretary to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Chairman. Thanks to all members who attend the meeting on time today, and special thanks to invitees invited by your member of our table. There are 5 G-Note which shows that our growth, and once again gratitude to all board members to conduct the meeting in effective manner and productive manner. Over to Chairman.
Thank you, Rajeshi. I request everyone to raise for the national anthem.
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। कब शुभ नामे जागे, कब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए सब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Now, I, the chairman of JCOM Delhi Table 1.0, adjourn the first week's growth call meeting. Thank you, everybody.